Now we will create a new folder inside of the root of our site and call it inc for includes. Inside of this folder, let's create the first file and call it database.php. If you open this file, we need to first create a few variables. So remove everything that's being automatically created, added to the file, and place the opening and closing PHP tag. Now, first variable will be host name equal, and inside of the double quotes we're going to type local host. Next one will be database. And as you may remember, our database name was called books. Next one will be username, which in my case will be root. This is the username to access your MySQL server. And the password, which I'm just going to type password here. And you would need to obviously type in the password which you are using for accessing your MySQL database server. Now we're going to create the connection conDB variable and assign MySQL underscore p connect with the host name as a first parameter, then username. Next we've got password and close parentheses, or trigger error MySQL error. If we cannot connect, simply display the MySQL error. Okay, as you can see, we've passed the three of our defined variables, which is host name, username, and password. So we've created our connection file with our connection. Okay, we can close it now. The next file we will be creating is going to be called functions.php. If we open that file, we can remove everything from inside of this file, and again opening PHP tag and closing one. At the beginning, we're going to first require once the database file with all these connection to the database. So require once database.php. Because it's in the same folder, we can actually link to it directly. I mean, we can require this directly. Okay, so that's all fine. Now, in the next video, we'll have a look at the first function to create the drop-down menu for the languages. It will populate the information from the database, from our lookup table languages, and put them inside of the drop-down menu.